did you do that? How did you do that?
Tuesday, July 3rd, 6:21 a.m. 128.8 minus 0.4, 128.8. One, 4, 3. I turn off the AC because you covered up, so that means you guys are too cold. What's wrong with you? You crying? You wanna go in my room? But I'm gonna be in the back though, working. Why are you crying? Because it's raining? Thunder? Oh my goodness. It's okay. It's not that bad. It's not like the thunder's gonna come in here. Luckily we're not outside, right? So nothing to be afraid of. Crying. Oh, you're silly. You wanna sit in the back with me? Oh, you could go. Why did you leave? I didn't tell you to leave. You could go back if you want, but I'll be working. Oh my goodness. Tuesday, July 3rd, 9:30. 129 even. 129 plus 0.2. Okay, didn't gain much. Okay, Wednesday, July 4th, 7:46 a.m. 128.6 minus 0.4. 128.6 minus 0.4. What are you doing? The book report? Reading comprehension? I'm talking to you, Michael.
I'm doing reading comprehensions.
What's going on with the book report?
The book report? I didn't do it yet.
And I did not do anything.
What did I tell you to do? I told you. There are plenty of other things that's not done yet. Okay? We did most of them.
What is that?
I will come back to these. Okay, we did these.
I just want to do the reading again, and then I can do it now.
Okay. You don't need to wait just to do the reading first. All the time you're waiting, you could have done something. What is this?
Sock.
They're showing water falling off. What?
Wet.
Okay, so how do you spell wet?
W-A-T.
W-E-T. Write it.
No, that's a den.
Okay, so how you spell it?
D-E-N.
Okay.
Wait, there's firework tonight?
Yeah, because it's 4th of July.
I want to go to the fireworks because since all that thunder, I was gonna...
The fireworks at night?
Yes.
Yes, wait, my dog was... Frosty is the man, is a breaking person away.
Okay, today is July 4th, 2018. I hardly go to the gym around this time. I was waiting to see what my husband planned on doing. He was sleeping. So I hardly go, like I said, I hardly go around this time, and I don't have anything in my system. The only thing I have is coffee I drank this morning, and I just took 2 spoons of peanut butter because I didn't eat anything yet. So I'm gonna go to the gym to prevent myself from going tomorrow morning. So tomorrow I'm supposed to go to the gym, but because my husband is here, we're not doing any activities. So I'm gonna go and do, I don't know, maybe full body, but I'm gonna focus on upper body first, because last time I went, I believe it was Monday night I did legs. So yeah, I'm gonna focus on upper body and see how much I could do. That's it. It is hot outside. Damn, I was gonna take a shower, but they there. 2:10. I bring the chicken. Are you listening? Okay, so it's about 3:17, whatever time I just show you guys. I came back from the gym a while ago, since 2 something. When I came back, I wanted to go straight in the shower. Then my husband just threw the kids in the tub because they were making so much noise, and it's too hot outside for him to be with the kids while they're in the sprinkler. So he put them in the tub, for, full of water. So they were playing. So I ate the leftover sandwich. I think, what was it? Egg sandwich. I ate that as my post-workout, and I put some jalapeno and onions on it, and then got rid of it, because when I came back from the gym, I stopped at the Chinese restaurant, get half chicken for them, and before I left, I made rice for them, so they eat that with the rice. So anyway, for the past couple of days, I've been squeezing workouts whenever I can, so I could avoid going to the gym early in the morning. So I went today. Luckily, I went the time that I went, 10 o'clock or so. I didn't know. I think the gym did send an email, but I failed to look at it. They open today at 8 and they close at 3. I saw that when I got to the gym. So I went perfect timing, and the gym was packed. So I wasn't able to do full body. I pretty much did whatever machine was available. So one of the machines that were available were the row machine, where I could put my hand different position on the bar. They have so I ended up started with that, because that was one of the machines that were available. And while I was there, actually, this guy, he was sitting on one of the cable machines doing absolutely nothing, right? And I guess once he finished, look at his phone, he came to me and asked me if, how long, because I was, once I get the machine, I would determine on the spot how many sets I'm gonna do and how I'm gonna do the routine. So I started single arms, 2 sets per arm first. I did the right arm first, and then I did the left, and then I did both arms. Then he came to me and asked me how many more sets I have left. I know he wanted the machine. So as a punishment for him sitting in the damn machine too long, and I had to use that machine, I did an extra set. Just because he was on the phone. So yeah, and after that I went, one of the cable machines were available, not the one the guy was using. It was a seated row machine, cable machine. By the time I finished, someone else was using it. So it was one of those cable machines where I could stand up and do, I usually use it, I do my forearm back. So I pretty much stood on that machine to do everything else that I wanted to do. Forearm, biceps, triceps, not biceps, triceps and forearm I could do on this, and back, and I did several movements on that machine. Then the machine right next to it was available. I did my bicep and forearm at supinated and neutral, because the level is at the mid-level. These machines are fixed, so I can adjust it. So I cannot adjust them because they are fixed. And once I was done with that, I did some face pull on another machine. By then, some of the members starting to dissipate, leave. So some more machines were available. So I did face pull, some triceps with the rope, tricep push down. And what else did I do? And then after that, I went down the rack with dumbbells, bicep curls. So surprisingly, the exercises were pretty good. I could have done more, and I decided to stop. Now that the machines were starting to be available, more people were leaving. I was like, you know what, we probably gonna watch the fireworks, so I need to conserve my energy to go and walk with them. So yeah, so I just took a shower, and the kids finally got out, and I said, you know what, before I forget what I did today, let me do this little video. So I'm gonna, I think I made coffee. I'm making coffee, and then I'm gonna lay down and relax. We're probably gonna leave around 7. There's a possibility we may not go because it looks like it might rain. The weather, the outside looked very cloudy, and I heard a little thunder. And I know my youngest is afraid of thunder, so if it's raining, we're probably not gonna go. So yeah, that's it, and I'm gonna rest. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.
Like that, if it's not. Jump over it. I could do this. Look.
Of July, we just came back from firework. We didn't really watch it because there was some malfunction. It's 11 p.m. 128.4 minus 0.2. 128.4 minus 0.2. Thursday, July 5th. 5:30 a.m. 128.2. Okay, you remember how we did this yesterday? All right, so here they show you have additions where you add and then where you subtract. They give you 3 numbers that are related. Without one, you cannot have the other. Please look at this. All right, I sort of help you with this. I want you to go and do this by yourself. This page is only add. There's no subtraction, okay? To take away. There's no to take away. So they ask you 2 different ways of doing this. What something plus something give you something. And they give you the numbers. You understand? Go do it and bring it. Do one for me and then bring it. Wait. I have a small pencil here. Do the first one for me in front of me, so I see that you understand. Go ahead. Look at the numbers that they give you.
3 plus 5
okay.
plus 8.
Okay. Nice. 3. Okay. Plus 5 equal 8. Okay. And the other one, what's another way of doing it again?
5. 5 plus 3 plus 8.
Okay. Go do the rest and then bring it to me. Very good. Let me see. You finish? Let's see. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 2 plus 7 equals 9. Oh, you have to show a different way. What's a different way of doing this? You show me the same way. There have to be 2 ways. See, like you did here. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. So, and this one also. Let me put a mark. Okay, you have to fix one of these. They are correct, but I want to see 2 different ways. Okay, like this one. Okay, this one is fine because it's 4, 4. This one is fine. Okay, this one is okay. This one is okay. So it's this one. I'm gonna put a little mark here. It's this one, okay, and that one. Okay, so leave this one. 2 plus 7 equals 9. What's the other way of doing this?
7 plus 2 equals 9.
That's right. And here, what's another? You're going to leave 1. Let's leave 5 plus 4 equals 9. What's a different way of doing it?
5.
We're going to leave that. 5 plus 4.
4 plus 5 equals 9.
Okay. Go ahead, do this one. Okay. So that's your first one. Let's look for another thing for you to do. This one is different. Okay? So they give you here. This is, what's that mean?
Plus.
Plus mean? Don't sit on that.
Plus means add.
Okay, what does add do? When you add, what do?
You add the numbers together.
You put them together. Now they said you have to give the answer. Right? How would you do this? Only one way of doing this. What do you do? Write it. You add what?
Add 3 plus 5.
Okay, like that. 3 plus 5
3 plus 5
is equal to what?
8.
Very good. And then, okay, I don't like your 8. Okay, if you cannot do it like this, where you hold the pencil and one writing, you could do 2 circles. Okay. Look, what is this? What does that look like?
Nothing.
I have no idea either. Okay. Make sure your circles are closed, okay? Write 8 here. Or maybe you could practice the way you were doing it to get better at it. So go.
Wait. It's like this.
Okay, so that's good. This looks good. Okay, so when you're doing it like that, look, you start here. Make sure when you cross over, you come out a little bit more to make that circle. Okay, because you come too close in, it makes it look weird. So go do these two, and then we'll read. Okay.
Yeah.
I think there's a report to do, so we might do the report with the book we. All right, go. I'll think about it. Let's go. Who's ready for the book? Mark, you sure you could walk with the sandal? You sure you could walk with the sandal? Go. Go, Michael. Go. Give Daddy a ticket. Alright, to the library.
To the library and then
Yeah.
the basic.
Yeah.
To the pool.
Library first.
I mean
and
library, I meant library.
And then we'll watch your ticket.
Arriving at
What?
it said arriving at destination at the library.
And we're gonna meet someone at the library.
No, near it. The street actually. I want you to ask the librarian about the thing tomorrow. The Legos.
Me?
Yeah, you want to know, right? Or is it me? Huh? And Michael, I want you to take your books out. Sorry. Yeah, more cousins. So. 1. Okay, get the books out.
Of all the books?
Yes. Which one you gonna renew and which one you gonna?
This is renewing.
This one we're returning. That's not. Okay, you return this, and then you could ask the librarian about the Legos tomorrow. Oh, it's so cool over here. You could ask her if they have the Legos. Glad you just returned it.
I see.
All right, move back up. Try again. Oh.
I tried.
this, it's about 8:30 or 8:45. 129.8, 129.8.